Hello students, today we will read page number 10. So let's start. The digestive system. The food that we eat cannot be used by our body directly. It has to be broken down into a simpler form to be utilized by the body. Digestion is the process that breaks down food into smaller particles that can be absorbed into our blood. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. When we put food in our mouth, our teeth break it into small pieces by chewing and grinding. Then the salivary glands produce saliva to break down food into soluble sugar. The tongue rolls it into a ball and pushes it down a thin, long tube called the esophagus or food pipe. Then the food passes from the food pipe into a muscular bag called the stomach. The stomach churns it for 3 to 4 hours, mixing it with digestive juices to break down its proteins. By then, the food becomes a semi solid paste and enters the small intestine. The small intestine is a long coiled tube over 5 meters long, which further helps to digest the food. Here, the food is mixed with the digestive juices produced by the pancreas and the liver, which help in digestion. The liver, which is the largest gland in the body, produces bile that helps to break down the fatty, sticky, and oily parts of food. The walls of the small intestine have a network of blood vessels that absorb the digested food into the blood and take it to all parts of the body. This is how we get the nutrients our body needs. The food that is not absorbed reaches the large intestine. The large intestine has a waste bag which carries undigested food and extra water. The extra water is absorbed and carried to the kidneys. All the solid waste is passed out of the body through an opening called the anus. The excretory system. The excretory system removes the waste products from the body. The two kidneys throw out waste in the form of urine. The skin also removes excess water and salt in the form of sweat. So students, it was the reading of the page number 10. All of you watch it and practice of it. Thank you students.